Food and health. Food is one of the most basic needs of life. It is essential for the survival of all living beings. Various nutrients present in the food that provide for growth and energy requirements of our body. It is a balanced diet which contains all the nutrients required by our body in appropriate proportions. The components of a balanced diet include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and water and roughage. In case of deficiency of even one of these nutrients, our body functioning would be disturbed. Nutrients. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the energy-giving foods. They make up the bulk of our diet. They are present in abundance in food sources like whole grains, rice, potato, honey, fruits, etc. Proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of the body. They are essential for the growth and repair of the cells and tissues of our body. Fish, milk, eggs, soybean, meat, and pulses are some rich sources of proteins. Fats. Like carbohydrates, fats are also energy-giving foods, but they release much more energy on burning. Fat is also deposited under the skin, and water helps in maintaining the body temperature. Milk, ghee, oil, cream, dry fruits, butter, cheese, and meat are sources of fat. Eating excess of fat-containing food is harmful for our health. Junk food products have unhealthy proportions of fats and sugar in them. We should avoid eating them in excess. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients. They are essential for proper functioning of the body. They also help in boosting our immunity to fight against germs. Their lack in our body is marked by certain deficiency diseases. These diseases disappear once their inadequacy is made up. Fruits, green leafy vegetables, fish, and milk are some rich sources of vitamins and minerals. Water and roughage. Apart from the energy-giving and body-building foods, our body also needs plenty of water for its smooth functioning. It is indispensable for all life processes. Roughage is the indigestible dietary fiber obtained from plant food sources. They are required for easy digestion and bowel movements. Whole wheat flour, millets, corn, and vegetables are the sources of roughage. Health. Health defines the extent of physical, emotional, and mental well-being of an individual. Maintaining a good health is the key to living a disease-free and happy life. Balanced diet, adequate rest and sleep, correct posture, proper hygiene, and regular exercise are the means to attain good health. Exercise. Exercise is the physical workout done to maintain body fitness. It ensures proper functioning of the body system. It also prevents from diseases and boosts the immune system. Exercise improves muscle tone and enhances blood circulation in the body. It should be part of our daily routine. Disease. Disease is a condition in which there is an irregularity from the regular structure of functioning of the body. It can occur due to several reasons, except external injury. The occurrence of a disease is marked by a set of symptoms. For example, body ache, fever, weakness, cold, cough, vomiting, etc. Diseases are classified into two types: communicable and non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those which occur due to reasons other than contamination. Deficiency of essential nutrients is one of the reasons of occurrence of such diseases. Some of the deficiency diseases are deficiency disease, vitamin or mineral, food source, night blindness, vitamin A, green leafy vegetables, carrots, mango, butter, berry, vitamin B, whole grains, beans, milk, meat, curd, scurvy, vitamin C, amla, oranges, tomatoes, sprouts, rickets, vitamin D, milk, fish, sunlight, anemia, iron, meat, spinach, whole grains, peas, goiter, iodine, iodized salt, seafood. Apart from these, the deficiency of macronutrients causes protein energy malnutrition or PEM. It is a type of malnutrition in which the body lacks basic nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It mostly occurs in children. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through direct or indirect contact. The causative agents of communicable diseases are microbes, common cold, typhoid, dysentery, cholera, etc. are some of like bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoa. Through direct contact with the infected individual, when a healthy individual comes in contact with an infected individual or uses his belongings, the germs can easily migrate from one person to another. The germs causing common cold are transmitted in this manner. Example, common cold. Through contaminated food and water. Uncovered, stale or rotten food objects serve as the breeding grounds for disease-causing microbes. Consuming infected food will let them inside our body. Drinking dirty water can also cause diseases. Boiling the water kills the germs and makes it fit for drinking. The bacteria causing diseases like cholera, dysentery, and typhoid generally transmit through contaminated food and water. Through vectors. Several insects like mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches act as carriers for disease-causing germs. Mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria and dengue. Maintaining a good hygiene can prevent us from communicable disease. Some ways for achieving proper health and hygiene. We should always wash our hands before we eat. We should wash the fruits and vegetables thoroughly before we eat or cook them. We must avoid eating from the roadside vendors who do not cover their food items or sell in dirty surroundings. We should not share items of personal use like toothbrush, towel, soap, undergarments, etc. with anyone else. We should not throw our domestic refuse out in the open. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should remember to rinse our mouth after every meal and also brush our teeth twice every day. Vaccination. Vaccination is a method used to prevent against certain communicable diseases. It is a process in which weakened or dead germs are injected into the body to stimulate our immune system to fight against it. It boosts our immunity against the particular disease. Polio, tetanus, hepatitis, etc. are the examples of diseases that can be prevented by vaccination. Smallpox has been completely eradicated with the help of smallpox vaccine.